In this question 6, so matrix A is given as 3x, 2x, 0x, 4, 0, 0x minus 10. Given that the determinant of A is negative 75. So find the value of x. So here they are testing us on concept of determinant. So for determinant, it will equals to element times minus, then minus element x minus, then element 1, 3 minus 1, 3. So when I want to find minus 1, 1, I will eliminate row 1, column 1. So the entries here will be x, 4, 0, x minus 10. So I can copy and paste, then in and out. So those vertical is 0, 0. So this determinant is equal to negative 75. So now we're going to do our AD minus BC in order to find out the determinant of this 2 by 2 AD minus BC. Here we get x squared minus 10x minus 0. And then here will be 0 minus 0. So everything becomes 0. So x here also same. 0 minus 0. So I can simplify our equation here. Move the 3 to the left hand side. And we get a quadratic. So we will rearrange our quadratic. And we try to factorize to find out what is our x value. So we can try to use our calculator. By the mode of equation quadratic, we input A is 1, B is negative 10, C is 25. You'll notice that you're getting the same answer, which is x equals to 5. Means that these quadratic equations, they're having the same roots. So they are factorized here, they are having the same factors here. So for the first mark is how we apply our determinant concept, then how we simplify the AD minus BC. Then for the quadratic, you have to see how you solve your quadratic by factorization and get to the answer of x. So once we get our answer of x, so our matrix here can be fulfilled in complete element. So question B, we are going to find the adjoint, cofactor adjoint of matrix A, hence determine the inverse of A. So first of all, we plug in our x value into our matrix A here, where x here is 5. So 5 minus 10, negative 5. So from here, we'll start to answer the first part of the questions. Find the cofactor. So cofactor is positive minor equals to negative minor in following the position. For row 2, negative minor, positive, negative. Then positive, negative, positive. So for position 1, 1, we will eliminate row 1, column 1 to find out what is the minor here, which is 5, 4, 0, negative 1, 0, negative 5. So copy paste, in out, those vertical is 0, 0. Then continue for row 2, this is position of 2, 1. So row 2, column 1, we have 5, 10, 0, negative 5. So copy and paste, in and out, those vertical is 3, 0. And then continue for row 3. So this position is eliminate. Row 3, column 1, which is 5, 10, 5, 4. So copy and paste, in and out, those vertical is 3, 0. Then we have to figure out this determinant 2 by 2 by using concept AD minus BC. So here we get here negative 25. For this 0, here also 0. Then we continue for this negative 25, but negative in front here still got negative, it become positive. Here is negative 15, and then that will be 0. It will be 20 minus 50, so it becomes negative 30. This is 12, so in front got negative, become negative 12, and then lastly that will be 15. So this is our cofactor. Then after that, we are going to find out what is our adjoint. So adjoint will be equals to cofactor transpose. So our row 1 will become column 1, row 2 become column 2, row 3 become column 3. So it will be our adjoint. Then we have to find out what is our A inverse. So in finding this A inverse, we are using adjoint formula where determinant already given in the first question, which is negative 75. Then we plug in our adjoint matrix. And simplify our answer here. So from here, how we going to get this 8 mark? So first of all, we're going to find out how you do your cofactor and your minor, your positive, negative, minor, and then we came up to the answer of cofactor. Then we see how you transpose and get to the answer of adjoint. Then we see how you apply our determinant and the adjoint matrix in order to find out the inverse matrix here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.